Yeah, man. When you hear me, I'll tell me about anywhere uptown, man. I mean, him have one, man. Talk the truth, though. Truth of it talk. I mean, him right that one day, third eye.
Oh, God. Smelling leather. Listen, come here, come here. You see what God do? Yes, see what righteousness do? You don't have to sell out or be a shit in a plate.
When I beat Beanie, man, what Beanie do? Beanie alright, you know. And if you go and allow the two man them, brother, because the man they alright more, you know. So Cartel I live, you know, so Beanie I live good. Beanie I look on, you know. Love Foota hype, too. The bumbo cloth do, no, man.
Big up the fatty, them they can wine good. Big up the fatty, them they can grind good. Big up the fatty, them they look tan good. Grab up your front and shut out your good again.
Welcome to Foota TV at the right place, and it's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, the man, blessed, love, blessed Sunday. I don't know, give thanks to life, health, and strength on the 1st of May. We live to see another month, another day. You know, life are the greatest gift, remember that. Yes, my paper alone, a lion foot in the man of face. We just slow the base, set the violence off on the streets. Yes, in this episode, yeah, why Saverto, farmer, JOP, artist, they put him live and I say, yo, you know? Only for song email pen for Aidonia. Allegedly. No proof, so you don't know. I couldn't hear him and say, I only can let me know to think if you don't believe him or not. See me? We also have Foota hype. And I'm get a brand new gift. Lamborghini. Yo, so you should go on. Straight nation. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. See? Man, before we kick off, if you like watching the marathon, a song, big up the fatty them. Check it out and let me know what y'all think. See? Just released on the 30th of May. See me? I'm missing it. You see me? You got the fluffy them and the fat woman them. Alright. There I go.
Big up the fatty, them they can wine good. Big up the fatty, them they can grind good. Big up the fatty, them they look tan good. Pat up your front and shut out your good. Tell her you own the man, you never lease him. No, you know him well, you know how to please him. You're not gonna wait, you stuck with him.
Yes, man. So,
Yeah, man. When you hear me, I'll tell me about anywhere uptown, man. I mean, him have one, man. You see me? I mean him have that one, man. Talk the truth, though. Truth of it talk. I mean him right that one day, third eye. Everybody know that. But guess what? Some people on the live don't know that. No found up on the live don't know that. No found no say I say dead man them. March with the K and the A1 them. Anywhere we see them, we step on them, boy. No found no say I say that. Aidonia try hide the artist them on him. Look on Cartel. Cartel hide the artist on him. All the Cartel artists them boss. And we give him verse, everything, line, everything, third eye. Everything we get doing here. Yeah, and me and Shandizzy build a song there. You see me? Bring down, big up yourself. And me and Shandizzy build a tell them body anyway song there. You hear? No, we are doing one thing. I want you S. Everybody don't know what go on. They like you a tell. Like you a tell us. We face back like we face back the answer there. You chat too much fuckery. I mean, I be honest with you. But now nobody on my platform, you know. If you want not take my narrative and run with it and you want to give me a negative narrative after what me I say, I don't care what you want to say, because you can't get me angry, you can't get me vexed. You see me? I'm a fan. You can't get me black, you know that. No, dog. I will never do that. Only build people. Me not break people. You see me, G? Yeah, but everybody know that, family, but time to move on and push your thing forward. Go and go subscribe to One Saverto Music. So make sure you subscribe. And you say you name S. And you listen for more song. And that you fi do. US. No come back and chat off your mouth. Open up your mouth, man. You see me? You know go so. We don't need for right. Yo, Peter Robinson, how your name? We don't need to tell no song. Me tell you one song a while ago. Dead man them, march with the K and the A1 them. Anywhere we see them, we step on them. That's one of the biggest song don't ever have. It boss him. You think about it now. We not burn out doing that for the song of it's good enough, boy. I remember this saying that. S, you come on a TikTok, you know. Other song they alone bust doing that, man. How are you there? S, just go easy, man. Cause we don't want straight the topic and you talk about doing your feast and you alone up on the TikTok, you know. No S, cause you have a bad narrative and you think negative, you know. But me, you know. No S, me no busy about what you want to say. You see me I say? Me know say that song they make it do it bust him. Dead don't can't go up on stage and sing. Dead man them, march with the K and the A1 them. Him can't do it, no time, no day. We don't know nobody over here, so we don't know nothing. We don't know you know S. S, we don't know you. We don't know your S, cause you don't know nothing. You see me? Third eye, chat to him. Third eye, text him. Text Mark X and tell him say you don't know nothing, so stop talk S. You see me, David? You don't know nothing S. You see me? We are talking about who tell him what song we write for doing that? I not tell her. JOP was there before Gaza and Gully. If you never know that, so you're late S.
Why? Several to say. Tell me about it anyway. I don't know, say, but let me know what you all think. I don't have nothing to say. As I say, but big up the artists, then big up Aidonia. You know what I mean? Big up Governor. You see me? And big up Severito too. You see it? Yes, man. But let me know what you all think about that. You see, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Yeah, man. So next now, put a hype on them Lamborghini. Watch out, man.
I think I'm telling already, sir. Big things are happening. Big meeting will go, big announcement. You see, when God in a vessel, them can't stop it. Every man have them day, every man have them 12 o'clock. You see me? Wait your turn and you were alright and don't make a back part burn. You hear that? I'm showing you something where I'm going. I give myself a gift because we signed a big deal and I soon telling about the big deal, but this is one of the perks. We're forward with the big deal. Follow me, eat in heart out. Everything good? Yeah. Mad something. You see it? Look. Come zoom in. It's not a Corolla here. Yeah. I know what them have. We're talking about them here. Foota! Yo, come here. Look here, sir. How me start this again? Jesus Christ. I never know about, oh Lord, see it here? Oh God. Smell the leather. Listen, come here. You see what God do? Yes, see what righteousness do? You don't have to sell out or be a shit in a plate. Yeah. See me now. That's right. Every girl dream. Go in there and look at it. What the haters them say. Mighty God. So here we go now. But while you carry the camera around and muffler this up.
Yeah, man, boy. You see people are saying a Foota, a Foota carry people are saying a Foota. I feel like a Foota vehicle, man. Because the man Foota, yeah, man, say he give himself a gift. I know Foota is a man not to brag and boast and tell people in business. Enough people talk about Foota in a house. Foota go to sit down for now, 2 house a yard and 2 house abroad. And just go look on the chat off from the mouth, huh? Yeah. But let me know what you think. Say my viewers and subscribers, big up Foota and big up the world. Big up the straight nation. So I say, yeah, but you know, you have to stoop low to achieve things in life. Just hold the faith and put in the work. That makes Foota and make you know. So I say.